Barrister, I have a serious case, and that is why I am here to consult you, so I will know what to do to win this case.
Before you can own up to me, before you can say you are here to consult me, you have to drop your consultation fee.
Okay,
yes.
Sir. Okay, sir, no problem. How much is the consultation?
10,000 naira.
Barrister, 10,000 naira is too much now.
Then change your name to barrister. You can become a barrister overnight. Go and barrister yourself out of the case. Will you tell me what to do or how much to collect? Because I'm pitying everybody.
In fact, the way you are looking, even the wig you are wearing, shows that you can help me. Because my friends have told me a lot how competent you are. You understand? So it's not a problem. 10,000 naira consultation fee. I'll give it to you. So, this is the 10,000 naira consultation fee, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, your name?
My name is Mr. Ejike.
Go ahead and explain your case.
Barrister, actually I'm having a serious problem with my late brother's wife. And we are struggling and dragging a land. You understand? And history has it that the land belongs to my late brother. And you know, I cannot just be sitting at home and see a woman own a land when I'm still living. It's not done. So I've come to forcefully take the land from her. And I am here so that you can help me, defend me, so that I can win this land.
What a case of uncertainty. Land grabbing and fraud at the same time. You want to grab a land that was owned or that is owned by your brother's wife. You want to make it your own. Wow. Anyway, it will cost you a lot of money because I will use my legal obstacle to abstract the land from the original owner to the fake owner, that is you.
Wow.
Yes. So in that manner, I have to venture into my lubrical vibrator in order to venture into the in cord of the original owner.
Wow.
Then lubricate the land, violate the land, uproot the land from the original owner to the fake owner, that is you.
You're a barrister.
You don't know me. I am for federal government. I am for political disgusting matters. But I bring myself so low in this village because I really want to help people like you.
A good man.
Oh, you don't know me. So that is it. In furthermore, you have no problem. Okay? You have no problem. The case needs to be filed to Abuja.
Okay.
I will get the original papers, the original name of the original owner, file it to Abuja, where I have always become an obstacle to cases like this. So by the time I'm done with the case, the court will now give me victory from the section 1480 SKQ into the library. It will make it more original to you. So what we're talking about here is money. I need money to carry out all this.
Barrister, how much?
100,000 naira. You see,
Barrister, 100,000 is big now.
Then forget the land for the owner. Leave the land for the owner if it is big. It should even hear now the 100,000 is big. Because I pity you. In our case, in $1 billion in America. Go to America when Mr. Dog and Mr. Here case. It was only my autograph. I just have my autograph on top of the paper. The land becomes the government property. I defend government. I'm not ordinary civilian.
Okay, barrister, see what will happen. In this case, I see you're a very, very learned barrister. So what I will do is I will give you 20,000. I'll give you 20,000 for this case.
Thunder fire you with that 20,000 naira. Do I look cheap to you? The grammar that is coming out of me, do you know what I paid to acquire it? How dare you price me 20,000? And a rose singer. You didn't go barrister, you didn't go barrister. Call barrister, call wogi. If you're not ready to win this case, you leave.
Okay, barrister. In that case, because the land you are talking about is very, very fertile. So I don't want to lose it to her. So I'll give you 50,000. I don't want us to deliberate more about this again. Biko, just help me.
Because of the fertility of the land. You say the land is fertile. And it has to cost. You have to pay for the land itself, pay for the fertility, pay for the main owner, then pay for bilateral. So you have to make it 80 just because of you. I will give you a form to fill. And mind you, once we get to the court, the judge will ask, are you guilty or not guilty? The only thing I need from you is to say, yes, I am guilty. And the land becomes yours. You don't say anything, I have spoken. Where is the location of the land? Sorry for keeping you waiting. I was busy with some official bathroom cases, trying to put things in order. You are welcome to my chamber. So, can we proceed with your case? What can I do for you?
Barrister, this is my elder brother. Few days ago, I was in the house. I overheard your elder brother having misunderstanding with my brother here. So he was telling him that the land he told him to finish, he is not yet done with the land. And he was telling him that he would deal with him. He was telling him that he would deal with him. Few weeks later, this is how I saw my elder brother. Look at him. I don't understand. I don't know what to call this sickness. I don't just understand.
Igbo.
Barrister, the reason why we are here, I want your brother to return back his brain. I want him to return back his brain the way he is before.
Igbo.
Wait a minute. My own brother.
Oh, sorry, I had a call. Hello? There?
Igbo. Igbo.
Chief Judge. Young lady.
Young lady.
Yeah. Young lady.
Young lady.
Come and take him out of here.
Come and take him out of here.
Does this place look like psychiatry to you? Eh? Igbo, you get a wandera. Igbo, you get mental case chamber. Take him out of this place. Please drop my spec. Move!
Please, barrister, please, oh. Tell your brother to come and return back his brain, oh. Tell him, oh. Let's go. Tell him, oh, barrister, tell him, oh. Let's go.
Stupid thing. Somebody that you have seen what happened to him. Now, we hear Mariara. People are patabeba. You didn't go in one day. You didn't go doctor or physician. Nonsense. You would have come close to me. Let me use come with those days back in the days when I was in this village. When I can't put here, my lord, My client here is not the actual owner of the piece of land in question. Yes. But you know, in Africa, we all are Africans. We are Igbo people. We are traditionally inclined. We are people that are made for tradition, and tradition is also made for us. We live, we walk, we sleep, we soak into tradition. A woman do not contest a land with a man. Yes! For that very reason, and in this singular act of objective subjection, my client here stand as the rightful owner of the land in question. A woman supposed to inherit her husband's grave alone. Nga helili die onge kwesiri inye ya. Okutokutu ya ga na grave die kpọkuo ya kpọ ya aha tuo ya igwe. Oburu ibia na azala with nwokorobia ka na-eto eto. What will she do with the land?
Then, baby. Objection, my lord. Baby.
Objection overruled. Prosecuting. Can you proceed?
Thank you, my lord. Baby. The defendant's counsel, right here, barrister, no case, whom I will munch plenty case. Now, straight down to his chamber. Originally, Matthias. Maniyan na buya na village yung Matras. Maganiyan even yung wamele no nombempelumpe. Anyu kam Matras wamele. So anyu gidala wamele nyu gidala nya anyu kange wamele mbempempe. So I called you Matras because anyu kan wamele anyu kan Matras eji wamele yegu mbempelumpe. So don't play with me, baby. Yeah? Ma waju nya butu ba phone so nya eto ka manesi wa na afia e biala peta forgiden so forgidia mopunia na chamber go see na nyen so. I am a barrister who is addicted to cases, so don't play with me, baby. Forgive me, my lordship. Barrister no case here is trying to misguide the court, baby. The land in question, the land we are talking about in question, belongs to my client's late husband, baby.
Objection, my
No,
lord.
for real, baby. When I'm telling you this, I don't play games, baby. The land in question belongs to my client's late husband, baby. No, for real, baby.
My lord, I am a well-trained barrister. I don't talk too much. When I talk, I mean what I say. I am not trying to deceive this honorable court by any way, in atom of any consequential inability. The Book of Law 1986 made it so illegal that a woman in African tradition, quote and unquote, I am a ballitarist. I am a barrister with a hyphen. A barrister with a curriculum. Only my autograph sets America free from their intercontinental private discharge. Yes! I don't play games. So when people talk, they talk like fools they are. Now I put it to you that my client here is the bona fide, he's the real owner, he's the consequential, he is the materialization owner of the land in question. It's just that the opponent. I put it to you, and I put it to all the members of this honorable court, that this woman, Mrs. Agnes, she has something. She has something of the memorandum and a random privately with my client. That is the reason this case is before this honorable court. If not, why can't a family go in and settle their ballatarists? Must they bring it out? No. Tell me who in his rightful sense will bring a case of land dispute into a honorable court. If not, take the matter home, settle it with your kinsmen. Ezoku Bondo, and I stand on the truth. Objection, my lord, I rest my case.
God damn, baby. Objection, my lord, baby. My lord, please, can you help me ask the defendant counsel right here what he knows about the land in question? No, can you help me ask him his local standing on that land in question?
Objection, my lord. My lord, my honorable, disgusting colleague cannot sit here to tell my lord the question to ask to me. No, it is illegal. Who does that? It is not part of the law. It's not done anywhere. So he should choose the question to ask to me and not you telling him the question to ask. Who does that? Huh? My lord, I rest my case.
Objection overruled. Now, Mr. Ejike, can you tell this honorable court if the land in question is your land? Or are you trying to pull a fast one on Mrs. Agnes, the widow? Tell us, are you guilty as you claim or not guilty?
My lord, I am guilty of the charges.
I said it, baby.
The accused, you are guilty on 2-count charges. First of all, you are trying to use your ancient tradition to bring confusion in my modern court, and I do not tolerate that. Secondly, you used force to grab a widow's land that she owes rightfully. And second count charge, you forcefully want to obtain the widow's land. Forcefully is against the law of this honorable court. And let me tell you, in my modern court, I do not joke with the widows. Yes, you can go ga. Adameji call widows achi. Adameji widows. If you get me widows, come and do it. Even to me, as a judge. Don't even try it next time. So, you are guilty. And I hereby declare my sentence because of your guilty. You are going in for 2 years imprisonment with hard labor. On these 2-count charges, 2 years imprisonment. Next time, it will serve as a deterrent to anybody who want to joke or mess the widows up.
My lord, will I say I am so delighted with your judgment? My heart is at peace. Oh yes. I am so grateful. I am not regretting anything. This case is already won by me, to me, and to all of us. But my lord, that you should say the truth, and the truth shall set you free. My client here stand on the truth and the truth will set him free. Amen. I am so happy that he's going in just for 2 years. But if you ask me, dragging a land with a widow, I think the Book of Law 1931 makes it so illegal. Anybody who rises against a widow should be condemned to death. He should be lucky it's just 2 years. You would have made it 4 years. You have to accept the fact that you have been jailed for 2 years. It is nothing. 2 years of Azonga. My Lord, carry on with you.
Barrister Matthias, you asked me to plead guilty. Now I pleaded guilty now. And they're taking me to prison. 2 years imprisonment. Is it 2 days? What am I going to do now? How could you do this to me?
What did I do to you?
You don't know.
No, you small rat that is ranting like a fool. What did I do to you? Are you not guilty? No, tell me, are you not guilty? Listen, let me tell you. I said it before and I am saying it now. I am not the type of barrister that when you are guilty, you come to the court and say you are not guilty. You are guilty and you pleaded guilty. So you have to serve for for the offense you committed. What arrant nonsense? 2 years is even small. I was expecting him to increase it. So go in there. By the time you are done serving, Isha Ajo Goyi. 2 years. Give him what a sense of reasoning. You begin to think like a man. There is no peace outside here. The only thing you will do there, give back Sheba Mamre, give back Sheba Mamre. You got back this in a mammy hotel till you give Baroye for 2 years. By then, give one keep it as then you will think and then start reasoning of leaving the widows alone. You don't take what belongs to widows. You can oppress any other person out here, but you don't dare with widows. Widows are so precious to us and to God and to humanity, to our tradition. You don't do it. So please.
What do you want me to do now? Did I take me to prison? After all the one I gave you?
Oh, you would have wanted them to take you to church. If I can make a deliverance. Kingdom. Prison is a good place for you. Prison is your home. Prison is your home. Prison is the home for all liars. When you get into the prison, one them will check money hair. Prison is a better home. Move it, my dear.
If not because of this that time, I would have dealt with you. It will never be better with you. You will regret it in your life.
Go and rest in prison. Go and rest
you will regret it.
Move it.
I'm afraid you will regret it. You will never be well with you.
I pray.
You will suffer the your life. You suffer.
Go and suffer first. You will suffer first before me. What did I do wrong? Huh? You are guilty and you pleaded guilty. Then you expect me to say that you are not guilty. And I say the truth and it shall set you free. See you over there. In fact, it better 2 years. I will plead again. Make what again, please. Make what again from 2 years to 4 years. From 4 years, talking again longer by shower. Please, I monopause that. Nonsense.
Guilty or not guilty, you must plead. I am guilty.
No. You're not the first one.
Yes.
And there's this land my father wants to sell.
Are you serious?
That is oral land now. And gives me my share. I come to your side and start doing things for you. Oh, this your skin. If it's organic, like 2 or 3 packets of organic, it's not organic, it'll be okay. Water.
Chai, you have made my day now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Ijoma.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Ijoma.
Uncle.
Ijoma, what is good about this afternoon? No, just give me one thing that is good about this wonderful afternoon, that you're supposed to be somewhere doing something meaningful, doing something useful, doing something so abdominal with your life. And you are here discussing with a nobody, a riffraff, a nincompoop. Huh?
Uncle, please, what is it now? Everything is good about the afternoon.
Oh, I see. Everything is good about the afternoon. Now listen to me. If you dare put that thing into her mouth again, I will put you beyond your grave. If you dare stretch your hand to her mouth again to give her anything, I will imprison you with my autograph. I am barrister, no case. You don't joke with me. You don't play with my intelligence. You don't play with my bilateralities. You don't play with my political investigation. How dare you? Now I want you to take your 2 left legs out of that place before I close my eyes and open it.
I beg your pardon.
Huh? As what? Hi, Joma. As what? For your information, for your informantary information, you have no right to beg my pardon. What are you begging my pardon for? As my co-bilateral? Or as my co-collateral? Or as the collateral inside of me? That you are begging my pardon? Huh? Oh, maybe you have become you have become a chamber curriculum. That is the reason you can open your mouth and beg my pardon. The only person that has a right to beg my pardon is my co-learned lawyer. For the fact that you are nobody, you are a low-life girl, you have no right to beg my pardon.
Bros, barrister lawyer or whatever you call yourself, pause it there. See, I've been quiet too. What's the meaning of this now? What is the meaning of all this? Before you came in here, I and my baby, we were having a nice discussion. And whatever you think you are saying, whether uncle or not uncle, my baby is old enough to know what is good for her. Don't come here to intrude. I like Kwamia. I don't like it.
What do you mean? Am I the one you are blasting? No. Tell me, did you just talk back at me? A barrister of law. A barrister with high profile. A barrister with dignity. A barrister that was conspicuously inaugurated. Go to Saudi Arabia. Go to Saudi Arabia and you go and study about me. I by myself, with myself, and in myself alone. Only my autograph has landed so many young men inside prison. Only my signature. Thousands have died because of my signature. I court-martial, I disqualify, and I disintegrate them. I alone, single-handedly. And you open that thing, you call your mouth to talk back at me. I must make sure both of you are summoned. Both of you must be summoned into my court injections. Otherwise, anyway.
Chi,
Baby.
let's go somewhere else and talk.
You
will uncle, my guy make kuzo kwabi. I will not talk. Must interfere into my private life.
Barrister lawyer, I must also.
What a god! What a god! Obere nwa na-amụ iri elu. Obi kwesịrị isi ike. The little child that learns how to climb Iroko tree should have guts. You're supposed to be ready at all times, because I am going to teach you how to dance this music that you just started. Where I have stepped in my foot, in your 100 years to come, you will never dare it. I will show both of you that I am a barrister with high profile, a barrister with commingling, or a quotational barrister, alleviated barrister, a barrister with concrete and agreemential iniquity. Both of you will face my wrath. Nonsense. I will not blame you. I blame your parents. They didn't give you any training, because if they have trained you enough, you won't talk back at me. A barrister of law, someone who stepped into America, and all the Igbo people stood up for me and they begin to clap. I said, Imo State people are clapping. The whole earth were rejoicing because I stepped in. Even the day I left America, so many people wept. So many people wept. Nnamdi Azikiwe, he woke up from his grave and he was crying that, oh, I am coming to face the wrath of my community investigational dispute. And you are here talking back at me. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew.
We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.